Fall is officially here, which means so are our seasonal favorites like football, fall scented candles, and the changing of leaves, and cooler weather temperatures. As fall turns into winter and the weather turns colder, it also means higher utility bills and the potential for costly damage to your home due to weather-related events. A house that is not properly winterized will consume more energy and cost more money. Here are 5 tips on what you can do to prepare your home for the fall and winter months. Tip number 1, clean your gutters. In the fall, you're likely to see leaves clogging up your gutters, so be sure to remove them. Your roof's drainage system is designed to divert water away from your home's exterior and foundation walls, so erosion and damage doesn't occur to your home's basement or crawl space. This is why it's so important to clean the leaves and twigs out of your gutters to keep everything working smoothly. You should also check to make sure the gutters are securely fastened and your downspouts are working properly, with water going far away from your foundation. If you're worried about how your crawl space may be impacting your home's comfort or energy efficiency, give your trusted leaders in creating healthy homes a call today.